Welcome back to the BakeDeco channel. Spring is here and we're gonna show you how to make a sunflower cake. We're starting off with an already iced buttercream cake, and now we're going to carve out our center using a knife. You can also use an offset spatula or a spoon. And now with brown buttercream, we're gonna start to pipe our center. And these are the disc florets of the sunflower. For the texture, we are using an open French star tip, and you can use any size. I do recommend a smaller open French star tip just to give it more of a realistic look. And now we're gonna go ahead and just pipe all around the center until it's filled. And now it's time to create our sunflower petals. We're using yellow buttercream and a large leaf tube tip. Keep in mind the size of your cake when you choose the size of your tip. We want to start by piping a petal border, and then we're going to continue to pipe inward until our cake is full of petals. And here is the final look. Let us know what you think in the comments below.